Hey iPhone users! Locked out of your iPhone and can't remember your passcode? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. I'm here to show you how to factory reset your locked iPhone using a Mac or PC. First things first, you'll need a computer. Whether it's a Mac or a PC, make sure you have the latest version of iTunes installed if you're using a PC. For Mac users, Finder will do the trick. Now let's get your iPhone into recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Depending on your iPhone model, the steps to enter recovery mode are a bit different. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down and the sleep-wake button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. And for iPhone 6s and earlier, press and hold the home and the sleep-wake button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, open iTunes or Finder on your computer. A prompt should appear giving you the option to restore or update your iPhone. Click on Restore. This will erase your iPhone and install the latest iOS software. After the process completes, set up your iPhone as new or restore from a backup if you have one. And there you go. You've successfully reset your locked iPhone. Don't forget to write down your new passcode this time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips.